Mostly Rajputs are living in the villages, and still they have their occupation agriculture, and they keep cattle also. So Rajput, they compare themselves as a loin. That's why they keep mustache. It is also a symbol of dignity.
Now we are just a symbolic to say we are Rajputs, though we have the same system and the customs, but we don't have those privileges what we had earlier. In the olden times, it was identification for you that you have a mustache, you belong to a particular caste, but now there's nothing, so even if you don't keep, there's no problem.
ये राजपूतों की शान रही है, राजपूतों की आन रही है। राजपूत जो मूछ पे मर मिटते थे,
बड़ी बड़ी मुस्टाच रखी है, बड़ी बड़ी बियर्ड रखी हुई है, तो वो क्या है कि उसको पूर्ण पुरुष माना गया है। तो इसके बिना यहाँ आदमी अधूरा लगता है, और ये हमारी संस्कृति है।
मूछ की एक मर्द की पहचान है, मूछ से एक शान होती है, आदमी की पर्सनालिटी होती है।
7 समुद्र पार से जो विदेशी आ रहे हैं, फॉरेनर आ रहे हैं, उन लोगों ने भी हमारे को देख के, हमारी संस्कृति को देख के इस तरह की मुस्टाच और बियर्ड्स रखनी चालू कर दी हैं।
The Rajput people in my country, they are very brave, very strong, and they are very smart, and they were warriors. They used to fight for our country, so that's why we are known as Rajputs.
You know, this from ancient time we have a system like, you know, this the Brahmin will teach, Rajputs will fight, Baniyas, you know, this businessmen, they will do business, and you know, the service class do their work. When a man keeps a mustache up, it means he is the head boss.
Rajput. Big moustache. Without moustache.
No, without mustache is not good. Without mustache, we feeling very bad.
Rajput means the son of the kingdom of India. From the face of the Rajput, you can very well recognize that yes, he should be Rajput. Mustache, which is a sign of a Rajput or a warrior or a person with certain prestige. I feel very comfortable with my mustache. I'll be very uncomfortable if I do not have mustache. It's all the game of mustache. And for this, people give even their lives.
Mustache stands for his caste, like Rajputs. They have the mustaches and keep it up like this, twisted, and it is sign of the brave man. At the time of death in the family of father or any close relatives, they have to shave off the mustaches and the head. This is a tradition. In the cities, mustaches are vanishing because people like to keep their face clean. But in the villages, they like to have the mustaches, and they feel bad to shave off.
कंपटीशन होता है, बहुत कंपटीशन होता है, और हर आदमी ये चाहता है कि मैं भी बहुत बड़ी बढ़ाऊँ इसको, आपसे बड़ी मैं करूँ, मेरे से बड़ी ये करे, मतलब एक दूसरे की होड़ लगी रहती है कंपटीशन के अंदर ही.
What is the reason of having mustache? You find in the state of Rajasthan, Rajputs and also others, they keep the mustache. In fact, mustache is a symbol, is an indication of the fact that it has been a patrilineal society. It has been a society which was dominated by males. So mustache used to be a kind of symbol of prestige, symbol of honor. If there is a mustache, man can keep it up, that means he is being honored in the society.
No, because we are youngsters, we don't like to keep mustaches.
Mustache? No, I don't like mustaches.
It entirely depends on one's face. I mean, they look cool on some people.
I like a person clean shaven. Disgusting. It's just horrible.
Mustache.
Mustache is disappearing under the yoke of what you call modernization, westernization, and even these days the liberalization of global economy. So mustache, which were a symbol of prestige in the past, is really being disappeared even by the people who have ruled this state at some point of time.
Many European I have seen, you know, keeping the mustache, but not up, down.
गायब कर दे सुबह आप देखो तो तुझे किसान के लगे
भाई हरी को मुंडा लगे The mustache also need care. You just can't keep mustache. You have to tie a belt or something like that and make them stand and nicely like that. You just can't keep them.
The former Maharaja of Bharatpur, he was standing on his fort and he was doing like this with his mustache early morning. And there was, you see these sweepers, the lady was brooming outside the fort, and the lady saw the Maharaja, you know, just fixing up his mustache, and he was looking towards Delhi, and this lady thought the Maharaja wants to conquer Delhi. In half an hour or something like that, the whole Bharatpur village came to know that the Maharaja is going for a war, and the forces and his generals, and they got all ready. And he said, what battle? Who told you? Then he called the people who were responsible, and finally they catch hold of the lady who was brooming, and she said, Your Highness, you see, I had seen you you were fixing up your mustache like this, and you were looking towards Delhi, so that I thought you are in a mood to conquer Delhi. And this is how I told people, and it became a story.
Do you go to a barber to cultivate the mustache or yourself? Thank you. What's your name?
Mr. Singh, I am a Singh. I am a Sikh religious people. You see my hair? never cut in the musket. I look the mirror in 10 minutes. I round the turban, so my face is looking very beautiful. So my wife said, "You looking very beautiful, sick man." Also my children. I have 3 children, 2 boys, 1 girl. So my asking, "Papa, you're looking very great man." Okay.
Okay, right.